Hello and welcome to TestInvite. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a math test, from building the test structure to adding numeric questions and configuring scoring logic. Start by heading to the Tests module from the main menu. Click the plus New Test button. Enter your test name, add a description if needed, and define your first section. You can add more sections now or later. Click Save to create the test structure, and you'll be redirected to the test editor. Your entered sections and first page are created automatically. Click Add Section to separate topics like arithmetic, fractions, or algebra. Use Add Page within each section to group related questions. This makes navigation easier and keeps your math content structured. Click Add Question on the right, then select Create a Question. Choose the numeric question type from the Open-Ended Questions category. Numeric questions require test takers to enter their answers in number format only. They're ideal for subjects like math, finance, science, or any assessment where precise numerical input is essential. You can also use multiple choice and matching question types for math-related content. For more information on creating these question types, check the resources available in our channel. Write your prompt in the question editor. You'll find numeric settings below. Entry format options are numerical entry for standard numbers, scientific entry for exponential notation, or numerical or scientific to accept both formats. You can also enable strict mode for normalized scientific notation. If required, adjust separator and precision settings. Choose comma for thousands and dot for decimals, or switch based on regional formatting, and set the maximum precision digit to control how many decimal places are accepted. In the Input Validation section, define regex rules and error messages to control the input format. In the Automation section, you can use numeric rules or custom functions. Choose how responses are evaluated. Is equal, is between, is one of or other logic options available. This enables instant auto-scoring. Click Save when your question is ready. Use the Math Expression Editor to display equations and formulas. Click the sigma icon to access the Math Expression panel. You can type text directly or use the virtual math keyboard. The keyboard includes tabs for numbers, Greek letters, operators, fractions, powers, trigonometry, and more. Each button inserts a properly formatted expression, simplifying your workflow. You can also enhance your tests with media, such as graphs, charts, audio, or video, turning your math questions into real-world, interactive challenges. By integrating media, abstract math problems can be visualized and contextualized, helping candidates better understand and apply concepts. Once you've finalized the test structure and added your questions, go to Test Settings to adjust the options according to your needs. You can set a global time limit for the entire test or apply specific time limits at the section or page level. Under Navigation Control, decide whether candidates can move freely, go back to previous questions, or proceed in a strict forward-only sequence. You can also enable a built-in calculator for test takers if required. To publish the test as a task, go to the Tasks module and click plus New Task. Choose the Real Usage option. Select a candidate type, then fill in your task title, folder, and use case. Click plus Test to attach your test from the library. After your task is ready, consider enabling test security. Select any security settings you want to enforce: webcam monitoring, screen recording, lockdown browser. These tools help maintain test integrity. Click Save to finalize the task. And that's it. You've now created a math test in TestInvite, complete with numeric input, auto-scoring, media-rich formulas, and secure delivery. Thanks for watching.